Welcome. In this video I will show you how to improve gaming performance and gaming experience on HONOR X7d. So before you start gaming, remember to unplug the charging cable from your phone to prevent overheating. Also, I recommend removing the protective case for the same reason. After that, enable the performance mode in settings, battery, and switch the performance mode option toggle to the right. Now you can leave settings, and now what I recommend doing is entering the game center, which is the native hub for games on your device. Now here you can install various games either by tapping install under the featured games or by searching them in this field. Now one notice, if you have downloaded some games from Play Store, they will not always be synchronized with this application, which means that you will not be able to find them in the My tab, My Installed Games downloaded. So sometimes the Google Play games, just for some reason, they just don't show up here. So if you want to use this application more comfortably, I recommend installing games from here. Now, by the way, here you can start your downloaded games. So in order to start the downloaded game, you just have to click play. And now to enable the game center in game, you have to swipe either from the top right corner, top left corner of the screen like this, or if you're playing in horizontal mode, you're gonna have to swipe from here. Now, once you open the game manager, enable the game mode for the best performance, and now you can use some quick features here like memory cleanup. You can enable or disable do not disturb mode. You can change your brightness level. You can take a screenshot, a screen recording. You can enable or disable the mistouch prevention. You can also enable or disable timing aid, and you can go straight from to your device's settings from here. You also have quick access to different applications in this menu, and you can add more applications by clicking the plus icon and selecting some of these applications from the list. And all of these features will ensure smoother gameplay, faster loading times, and a more responsive gaming session on your smartphone. So enjoy your gaming, and I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.